It's been over 50 years. Since 1972, not a single human being has stepped beyond low Earth orbit. But that's about to change. Right now, 4 astronauts are preparing to hurtle through the absolute void of deep space, heading for the far side of the moon. This isn't just a flight, it's a raw test of human survival. Welcome to Artemis II, the mission that decides if we ever actually make it to Mars. But behind the glossy press releases and the shiny suits, there's a side to this mission most people, even here in the US, have no idea about. Today, we're diving into the hidden history and the terrifying reality of life inside the Orion capsule. First, let's talk about what's actually on this ship. It's not just tech, it's history. The ghost of Apollo 18. Did you know there's a flag on board that was meant for the moon 50 years ago? It was designated for the canceled Apollo 18 mission. NASA kept it in storage for decades, and now it's finally getting its trip to the lunar surface. Wright brothers' legacy. Tucked away in the cabin is a small piece of fabric from the 1903 Wright Flyer, the first plane to ever fly. From Kitty Hawk to the moon. Talk about an upgrade. Your name in space. There's a small memory card carrying millions of names from people all over the world. If you signed up on NASA's site, your name is literally orbiting the moon right now. The power. The SLS rocket is as tall as London's Big Ben. It produces 8.8 million pounds of thrust. That's like 160,000 Corvette engines screaming at the exact same time. Organ on a chip. But here's the kicker. To see how deep space radiation affects us, NASA sent human organs on chips, tiny biological replicas of our systems. It's a secret weapon for keeping humans alive on the way to Mars. Now, imagine living in your bathroom with 3 of your friends for 10 days. That's Artemis II. The Orion capsule is tiny, about the size of 2 large minivans. There are no private bedrooms. You sleep in a hammock floating in 0G, just inches away from your crewmates. You're never alone. And the toilet? Let's just say it's the most expensive plumbing in history. But here's a twist. Unlike the ISS, where they recycle urine into drinking water, these guys have a fresh supply. No yesterday's coffee for this crew. But the real danger is the heat. When they return, they'll hit the atmosphere at 25,000 miles per hour. The heat shield will reach 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's half as hot as the surface of the sun. So why do this? Why spend billions just to fly around the moon? Because you don't practice for a marathon in your backyard. The moon is our proving ground. If we can't survive a 10-day loop around the moon, we have zero chance of surviving a 3-year round trip to Mars. Artemis II is the bridge between being a world-bound species and a multi-planetary one. In my opinion, Artemis II is the most important flight of our generation. It's not just about flags and footprints anymore. It's about establishing a permanent presence in the stars. But I want to know what you think. Is the $4 billion per launch price worth it? Or should we be spending that money here on Earth? And which of those 5 hidden facts shocked you the most? Drop a comment below. I'm reading all of them. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep space updates. I'll see you in the next one.